Well, when it comes to our vehicles, one of the best investments you can make is into a dash cam. If you don't have one, I have Sam here from Nextbase to explain all about why you should get a dash cam. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure. So, everybody needs a dash cam. Everybody spends a lot of time driving around, and anything can happen while you're not with your car, and you need to know what happens. So our latest product is Nextbase IQ. It works like all the other dash cams, but the crucial difference is if someone hits your car, you get the notification instantly. You can watch the live stream, you can connect in, you can two-way talk and say, hey, get away from my car, I'm watching you.
So like your car could be parked.
Yeah.
And say someone backs into
Absolutely.
you, you're going to get that.
So you leave it at the supermarket, you leave it at the airport, and you'll know what's happened to your car when you get back to it.
I love this. This is great. This is great. And so how does it all work then? Like how does it send that signal to you?
So it's 4G connectivity. We connect via the internet to the cloud, and then it sends it through to the mobile app. Nextbase IQ has two cameras, one that faces forward and one that watches what's happening inside the cabin and outside the side windows. So if anything happens, whether it's inside the car, outside the car, it's all captured on video, it's all backed up in the cloud, and it's ready for you.
Is it always recording, or does it get triggered by some event?
So we have several sensors inside the camera. We've got an inertial measurement unit, which contains an accelerometer and a gyroscope. We have radar sensors which can tell what's happening up to 6 meters away from your car, and then we combine that with computer vision from our optical image sensors so that we take all these factors into account and then decide, should we record, should we notify?
You know, dash cams are so important that I wonder why cars don't have them pre-built. Like, it's a great thing for you guys, but like, you makes me wonder.
Some cars do, and we're working with different car brands. So we're working with Ford, we're working with Toyota, to build all this technology into their car. You buy a Ford car with a Sony stereo. Soon, you're going to buy a car with a Nextbase dash cam.
And so, are you going to provide support for that as well?
Always.
Because technology is changing all the time.
Always. So we have a full-time support team. We're available on live chat, email, phone call. Any problems with our cameras, and the team's there to help you.
I love it. Listen, folks, I did this with my parents, and they have been thanking me ever since. If you don't have a dash cam in your vehicle, you got to get one. And if you're going to get one, this is the guys. Get a Nextbase. Look, took it out of my mouth. I'm Andy Brar, Handy Andy, signing out. Thanks, Sam.
My pleasure.